Hi, I'm Diego Villarreal, the CEO and co-founder of Castor. What are we doing at Castor? We're building a decentralized benefits platform for informal workers across Latin America to serve as a support system for these workers that rarely have any sort of access to automated savings, direct deposits, insurance, or liquidity tools. To explain a little bit of the problem we're solving, unlike the United States, where many workers have support from employer sponsored 401ks or employer sponsored insurance or the ability to select direct deposits, in Latin America, most of the workforce does not have this type of support. In fact, most workers don't have access to savings tools or the ability to say how or when they'll get paid. And so this creates a lot of vulnerabilities for these workers. Many also lack basic insurance. Why do they lack this? Well, on one side, many workers that are part of the formal workforce and formally employed by companies still don't get very much benefits from these companies just because they're not able or willing to provide them with these benefits. But then on the other hand, you also have, at least in Mexico, about 60% of the workforce is informal. So they don't have a company to be able to support them. And therefore they lack, again, this support system. So at Castor, what we're building is, again, this platform that allows all types of workers to access these types of benefits and tools. We're starting specifically with a savings account that has automated savings features that enable workers to easily increase and have include a savings deposit during each payroll cycle through features like automated saving deposits, as well as roundups, different things like that. And what we do is, as they build these savings with us at Castor, we extend them a short-term line of credit through the Castor card that they're able to use to manage their expenses while they wait for their next paycheck or for their next source of income. So this combination of tools, the automated savings tools we provide them with a Castor savings account, combined with a collateralized short-term no-interest credit line, allows these workers to start getting access to these financial support services and systems, which helps them generate more financial stability. So they're able to get more easily savings in the case of an emergency, and they're able to manage their expenses and access a no-interest credit line so they can funnel their expenses through Castor and avoid what could be payday loans, payroll sharks, or high-interest credit cards or loans. So we've been live for about 4 to 5 months with this product, the collateralized lending and savings accounts. In January, we had 4,000 monthly active customers spending $300,000 through Castor, and we've accumulated more than $100,000 in savings across these 4,000 active customers. And one of the great things we see as our customers are using Castor is, as they increase their savings every payroll cycle, we're able to extend slightly larger lines of collateralized credit, which helps them spend more on Castor, which generates more revenue for us. Because how do we make money? Well, a lot of our revenue comes from just the use of the product. As customers transact through the Castor card, we generate interchange revenue. And we also have a few payment services like bill payments and cash advances, which we have some commissions for. But by and large, the customers are generating more revenue for us as they funnel more of their spend through Castor. So again, the automated savings tools, which help them save very consistently, help us increase the collateralized lines we give them, which helps them spend more and generates more revenue. So in January, we generated $13,000 in monthly recurring revenue from these 4,000 transacting customers. So we're excited about what we've been doing. We still have a long way to go and a lot of things that we're developing. During the course of the next few months, we're launching budgeting tools and credit building and credit score tracking tools so our customers can understand how the use of the automated savings and no interest credit lines helps build out their credit score. For as we continue to grow for the second half of this year, we're going to start upselling some of our customers to some insurance products and traditional installment loans and lines of credit that will offer either directly or through partners. So we're excited about what we've been doing and the impact we're having to help all of these underserved and underbanked workers in Latin America have a stronger support system through Castor.